Good morning. It is 7:24 in the morning and we about to go on vacation. Happy feelings in the air. I'm sorry y'all, I'm excited. And that's been in my head for long. But yeah, we about to go on vacation, but first we got a doctor's appointment early this morning. Make a video about that soon. It's coming up very soon. That I'll be announcing to y'all. But oh, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and make sure you like up, comment. Make sure you tell your friends, your family, your mama,
your sister, your brother, your uncle, your aunties.
Don't do that. Tell them all. But I'm gonna get back to that y'all when we come back, because we gotta run to the doctor and then come back and grab stuff. And then I'll let y'all know when we going once we hit the road. Alright y'all, we finally here. We finally here. Well, yeah, tell them where we at, babe.
We in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I'm more excited. Say it again.
We in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I ain't gonna, we about to do like a little house tour right quick. And then, you know, we're gonna get time to relax, and we still gotta bring our stuff in and everything. We're just gonna go ahead and show y'all right quick. All right. This right here is like a little dining area type of piece. Sit down, have a meals, whatever. Go to this piece. Right here, the living room. I want to say this might be like the first living room. Got a fireplace. I'm assuming that's like a picture right there. Yeah, it's nice. As y'all can see the view, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna start out here in the first bedroom. The guest. It's pretty good. Open some lines. Ain't got little things all them little sticks. Came on. I ain't into that. We got the one on out. Yeah. Got a little bathroom right here. Bathroom, a little cool bathroom. This ain't my bathroom. This ain't our bathroom, so I don't really care. So it is what it is. We'll come out here. Now this balcony right here, this is the first balcony for whenever you first come in, because it's like three balconies.
It's called the main level.
The main level. That's the main level. Look at it, check out the view. Check out the view right here. Got your little swing right here. You know, this is just one of the few swings. You know, right here to chill like the old folks. Go out here and go to sleep, man. I can't wait to see it at nighttime. Yeah, that's a little meal area. We just talking about having breakfast out here. It feels good. Go back in here. And we about to go downstairs and check out the game room. Bunch of stuff, man. Alright, so this is the game room, y'all. You got like a pool table right here, small little pool table. You got like your Pac-Man game right here. That's your Pac-Man game. Oh, you got two. You got two more bunk beds right here. Not to mention, you can fit 9 guests in here. 10 if you got like a little baby. You got like a little chill out area right here. Little tic-tac-toe thing. Got another little like a 55 inch. Then it's like the bottom deck. Here. Like the game room, dude. You come out here, you got a couple more benches, some rocking chairs. Got another little view right here. You got your jacuzzi. Got that koozie out here. Got that koozie. You know, there's some little things up in there. Alright, we're gonna go upstairs today. I'm gonna let you show them what's there. Oh, I forgot. There's a little bathroom over there.
It's just another bathroom. It's not special.
It's like the bathroom that's
It's not even special. I don't gotta show it.
See that ass. Oh, almost caught that on camera. You tripping? Hello, let me get out of there first. Ooh, almost there.
Alright, so this is our living quarters. It's loft style, so it's pretty open. Like you can look at the main living room right there. Got a little bench right there. You want to sit and relax? I'm tired. Right here, a little sunbed. Come enjoy the sun. And then there's a little shutter right there. Like, you can see inside the bathroom. I think that's pretty.
But we're gonna get to that. We're gonna get to that.
And then
I am out of breath.
me too. This is the bed where we'll be sleeping, and then TV over there.
We got our own thermostat in here too.
Yeah,
The next each level has a thermostat, not just.
here.
And then this our bed.
Bathroom. Little jacuzzi tub right here.
And we got the
Bathroom.
little jet joints in there. So,
Hey, that's jacuzzi.
so I'm just saying, some jacuzzis don't got it. That's what I'm saying.
If it has a jet tub, that means it's a jacuzzi.
You know what I meant.
Okay, we just know. And then our showers right here.
That's crazy. How you get like a big tub like that, and then you get this little ass shower.
Because the space is for the trailer, right?
It's like staying in a trailer park. Hey, that's a swing out TV too.
Okay, each level has a deck. This is ours. Out here. It looks like the deck on the main level. It feels real good today. This would be a nice day to sit out like that.
Oh, you was a little dark.
It's real sunny and it's a little windy, so the wind balances out the sun. But you got another little swing over here. And little chairs to sit in. And I'm finna sit in.
Y'all, look at our view though. That is crazy. Like, this is our view. All three decks got a view similar to this. You know, as you go up to ours, it's higher, but I'm telling you, this view is something else. This view is crazy. Oh, that sun is hitting. This is crazy.
You knocked it down a level, then.
A little bit. Dang. Oh, you blinging. Put your hand back out. Oh, you is blinging. I'm trying to get like you when I get over there. Tell you.
Takes time. Levels to it. Till you get dinner.
Ooh. I feel like I made it, boy.
Amazing.
I feel like I made it. Don't you feel like you made it, Lou? You don't feel like you made it?
You made it to a chair, yeah. I was out of breath.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. We're about to go, probably run around the cabin some more. We gotta go bring our stuff in too.
You better take a shit.
You gotta put all my business all out there in the street. They ain't even know that.
Did that?
Cause I'm so stuck on this. I'm so blessed. We are so blessed.
And how they favorite?
Blessed. I say we can afford something like this. It's crazy. Also, we do got friends coming. They're gonna be here in a little while.
Yep.
They left a little late, so.
We get our good deed for the month.
But yeah, so we did like a little good deed. So y'all know, common sense. We ain't gonna use every damn room in here, like, or in every bed. So.
Why you ain't tell my stove was out like that?
You can't see it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm on it up here.
I'll tuck it in.
But we decided, like, okay, you know, just invite somebody. We paid for everything, so just come along for the trip. And they got that room that's downstairs. So that's just a good deed for the year. Just to bless somebody that don't have it. Let them get out for Valentine's Day. So kiss me.
Toasty, ain't it?
Yeah, that sun hitting, boy. That got me roaching a little bit. Oh, good morning, good morning. Check out, look at the view. Look at the view. It was crazy. The sun be beaming in the morning. But happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, babe. It's Valentine's Day. Sorry about.
Why are you doing this? I just need to get myself together.
What? I ain't got myself together. This is first up. We about to go eat. So.
Hey, you could let me at least put my eyes in.
But we about to go eat breakfast. Everybody just kind of waking up. We went to bed late last night. So, but yeah, yesterday we was running around doing stuff in the house. We went a little grocery shopping, put some groceries in the house. So we just kind of chilled and relaxed. We were all in the game room, listening to music and stuff last night. So drinking, having a good time. But when I woke up today, Valentine's Day gifts. Well, this right here is fire. You know, the 990s V6. See, I got the same ones over there. Same ones. Then I got a little watch from K's. Shit like that. And you know, that's some heat. That's some heat right there. That's good feet right there. I tell you. I got the same ones. They up under them coats right there. But that's good feet. Both of them good feet. I tell you. You like your gifts, man?
Yeah, I got shoes and jewelry.
Alright, we about to get up, take showers, and get ourselves together. I'm gonna kill the thought. That's it.
This bed is so comfortable.
I swear.
I thought I was up, and then I don't know. My eyes just slowly closed, and I went back to sleep.
You know how many times I watched that movie, but I tried to get up a couple times.
You get the killer and it be up asleep.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get back at y'all probably after we get dressed and get ourselves together. So, alright. But I'm gonna count down to 3. 1, 2, 3. You snap your fingers. When we come back, we can be together. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was all. 1, 2, 3.
We all put together now.
We back. We back. All right. I know we about to go to eat, but I think we about to go to what? Cracker Barrel? All right. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get to Cracker Barrel, and I'll let you know what we do after that. I have no clue. Supposed to be maybe go-karting, maybe the little exotic zoo thing, and maybe a skate room, maybe.
I don't know.
Ever since she seen it, what is it? Escape room movie. She ain't been trying to see it. So, alright, we'll get back at y'all. About to roll out. Alright, y'all. I don't even think you can see a little bit, but we're at Cracker Barrel. Oh, go ahead and give him a fit check, man. Give him a fit check. I said, give him a fit check right quick. Okay, she's trying to be like me today.
He wanted me to match him.
That's cap. That's cap. Trying to be like me and shit.
It's not.
That's cool. I'm gonna get a fit check later on though. I'm gonna get a try when we get on the inside. It's gonna be a lot going on. Alright, so I can't record like that. They got music playing. But this is mainly what Cracker Barrel look like. If you ain't ever been to Cracker Barrel, that's what it look like. It's just like a shop basically. You ain't never been to Cracker Barrel, but I can't really record like that because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. Got them chickens and waffles. I don't know if y'all know, but that's the best syrup in town, but I'm telling you, syrup right up your head. And you got the, what you get? That's apples?
Fried apples.
I ain't studying that. What's this?
That's gravy for your chicken.
Damn, what you get? Oh, y'all got the, nah. That's what is it?
This is the chicken fried steak. That's the same thing.
Man, what you get? Hey.
I got some bullshit.
I'm about to say you eat like a crackhead. Say what the fuck? All right, y'all. We started out here to what? Sky Bridge. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but if I try to like zoom, that's the little lift that take you up there, but the bridge is like right here. So that's where we going. And then they got like a whole bunch of like stuff like on the strip and stuff down here that we gonna check out. We're gonna check that out. But here, good. Let me get my fit check. Let me get my fit check. Yeah. You know, a little sun slide. Yeah. She's trying to really be like turn so I can see the rest. Yeah. That's good. That's good foots right there. Yeah. Step right here.
You see how mine look different in the front of yours?
Like
yours is more slender and then mine is like wider at the front.
No, mine not slender.
It is. Like yours have like it comes like a cone, but mine is like wide.
I mean, you do got grade screws.
I know, but it's small.
If you would have got the other ones.
I like it better with the wide too.
I'm about to say, I look like the grade screw. They look thicker. I don't know.
They look chunkier.
To me.
You know, I love a chunky shoe.
Yeah.
I think I'm in one. I'm about to do it.
Excited. I feel out of place, y'all. I ain't got no shades. So that's what you know. I need some shades. Some sunglasses. Prada, to be exact. Prada, Versace, or them Balenci's. The Balenciaga shades.
Or H&M.
Let's go. I'm not. See? Remember that. Remember that.
Or the beauty supply store.
Remember that. Next time you want something, remember that. Target. Family Dollar.
You own something.
Family Dollar. Dollar Tree.
You own something.
Remember that, y'all. Remember how she had it. Oh, we gotta take pictures.
Alright, step on in.
We're about to take pictures, man.
How's everyone doing today?
Doing good.
How are you?
Doing well. Just stand right there in the middle for me, please.
I'm gonna film you, you filming me. Cool.
Face falls on a count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. There we are. Just roll this much across that bridge up there, alright?
I appreciate it.
You're welcome, y'all. Enjoy yourselves. How y'all doing today?
I didn't know you get to take pictures.
Love each other like you love each other, alright? Face falls on a count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh Lord.
What?
How many can you fit up there at one time?
On the grid? On the thing?
2.
Probably 2. I would hope. I would hope. Bro, time out. That experience was just so we getting on it, right? He ain't tell us like, okay, it's about to come, just pull it down. We about to get up here, and bro, look how we up already. He ain't tell us to pull it down until we was in the chair. Like, bro, what's up with these white people down here, girl? Like, man.
You got him nervous.
He had me nervous right then. I'm like, hold on, don't this supposed to come down?
I need my money back.
But this made me kind of. What's that movie, Frozen?
Oh yeah, when they got stuck up
They got
there.
stuck out here, boy. That's crazy. They got stuck on this shit. That shit crazy as hell. Damn.
What that is?
Yeah. Yeah, back there. Sonny, that shit right here. You ain't afraid of heights, is you?
Well, you know who that is.
Are you?
No, I mean roller coasters and stuff. I done rode with you. Want to take a picture with me?
Let's take a picture. Stick your feet up.
Looking on the ground to see what people done dropped up here.
That's how Vito.
Better hold on to that damn camera tight. Ain't no getting it back.
higher and higher. This shit's still going. It's crazy.
You can't take a picture.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run up with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
How you doing?
That's salt and vinegar.
Bro, they got real live they got crickets in this.
I'll give you $10 to read this whole pack.
This ain't even worth $10.
If you eat the whole
Bro, the
pack,
camera not focusing.
I give you $10.
There you go. Look, y'all, there's real live crickets in there.
They got sour cream and onion.
Why you trying to get me to taste it for?
Cause you eat everything. I dare you.
No, bro.
$10.
I don't want that $10.
I'll buy it and I use it.
I got $10. I'm cool. I'm good. Have you ever had these crickets before?
I've had the salt and vinegar ones, yeah. They taste just like a potato chip flavor. But when you bite into it, it feels like a pistachio or a sunflower seed or something. Because they dehydrate them like beef jerky and then they flavor them.
Hey, so get it, y'all a try? It's crickets. It's crickets.
Hell no.
You ain't trying it?
I'm not trying this shit.
Yes, bro. But it's an asshole. It's salt and vinegar. Nah. She want me to try it. No, you try it.
You ain't coming everything.
Yeah, but I'm good on crickets though. I put them on a fishing pole though. I'm good. Nah, I'm good. So look, y'all. She came back with one of these. She went to go get her some chips. And she came back with one of these. It's the goat right here. That's true goat. Huh? It's the goat right here. Going back down, y'all. I just don't like how this thing swinging like this now.
Look at my foot compared to yours. Like baby feet.
That look good on your feet.
Thank you. I really, really like them.
Do you really like them?
I really, really like these shoes.
That should be comfortable.
They are comfortable. Like my feet don't hurt at all.
Oh yeah, that's her first pair of New Balance, y'all. I'm telling you. First pair of New Balance. We just got off the little Skylift joint. about to walk like the little strip. You always think about some food. You think about something else.
Think about you.
See how she tried to flip that? Yeah, we walk into the strip area. It's cool. Don't look like too much. So a little thing we trying to start doing, we've been trying to like grab like a coaster from like anywhere like we go. So we got a Miami one, so we're trying to get a what's it called, a Gatlinburg one. They flee. What's cousin?
Some of your Uncle George right here.
Now your long lost cousin.
Say you want some sunglasses.
Shut up.
I'm for real, you want some?
No, I don't want none.
For right now, babe.
Wait, I don't want none of these sunglasses. Look what you trying to. I don't want none of these sunglasses.
I'm talking
No.
about for right now.
Look at this motherfucker right here.
I was for real talking about for right now. Like if you want some shades right now.
I'm good.
Rooster too.
So I'm sorry y'all, we had this wine tasting place. We just stopped here to get like a free wine taste. So this right here is the Rooster Tail. It's communion, y'all.
Communion. She said you could try 3, right? Same for you or something different?
That's fine.
I know.
That's pretty good. Which one you
I
get?
know my stuff. No, I know my stuff.
So this one right here is the
Blackberry muscadine.
Blackberry muscadine, and she said this has brandy in it. So she said sip it because it has brandy in it.
I'm just picking out.
So this one is the
Saval Blanc.
Saval Blanc. So it's a dry wine. I don't like dry wine, y'all. So I think we gonna try 3, right?
Is there a different one you wanted to try?
So last thing I got the mango, the Hawaii 5.0 mango slushy.
Keep it from going into our area.
So we saw another wine tasting place, y'all. So you know what we had to do? We had to come down here and get another wine tasting for free.
I got popcorn.
Oh yeah, we started to get her some popcorn. We're trying to get her involved. So a popcorn. You see the kids out there playing with the birds? Over there? They're playing with the birds. They're playing with the birds. Alright, y'all, so we found another spot.
Weird it is, but it smells good.
We found
Here you go.
thank you. We found another spot, and we're gonna try this one, and this one. Gotta try it
So
right
this
now.
is like a champagne of apples.
Which one is that one?
Champagne apple. The golden apple. Golden apple. So delicious. It's like almost like a cream soda texture. Oh, that's good. Did you like the citrus This is strawberry.
That's my favorite. That cider donut here. That's my
Cider donut.
the cider donut here.
What's on the cider donut?
This is spiced apple. We got nutmeg and cinnamon in it.
I like this. Either way, it's
Hell no. Hell no.
it gotta be bad if you ain't gonna finish it.
Nah, that right there ain't it. So we walked into like a collectible shop, and they got everything in here that you can think of. And you already know I had to get me one. I got me a Michael Jordan one. I'll show you when I get outside. That joint is nice.
It's after you swallow.
Alright. So we started another wine tasting. Another. So this is cotton
Sweet vanilla
candy.
taste the beginning. It's after you swallow you're going to taste cotton candy.
After you, so say the rules again. Say the.
Swish it all around your mouth. You got taste buds everywhere. You're going to taste sweet vanilla. Now when you swallow, that's when the cotton candy grape taste comes.
Can you taste it?
Mm-hmm. It's the aftertaste. I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
Sweet Paws. Sweet Paws is a sweet white muscadine. It's got 10% in this. It's just
Want to choose one for me?
Yeah.
white grape
You can
juice.
pick any three.
You should try. I can't see the glare. At first blush.
At first blush, I'm gonna try that.
This one's not quite as sweet. It's about the sweetness of a Zinfandel. 12% alcohol in this one.
We've had Zinfandel.
Blueberry. If you smell this before you taste it, it's going to smell like a fresh baked blueberry muffin.
I got the blueberry.
Blueberries are crunchy.
This is my Valentines.
I like that one better than the
It's got
cotton
our
candy.
sweet little love bears on it. It's like a soft Moscato.
I'm gonna try the cotton candy peach. Or you think I should do a sweet paws?
Sweet paw.
Sweet paws? Alright, I'm gonna try the sweet paws instead.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So this the
Sweet
sweet
white
paws.
muscadine. Probably the sweetest one I have. It's the Sweet Paws.
Nah, that's my favorite. Yeah, that sweet paws is like that.
It's also the one that's on sale today for $18 a bottle.
I'll try the Oh, listen, I got it now. It's like what? This four?
Anything I can get you to take home with you?
4, 5? Nah, I'm alright. Yeah.
Throw your cup away, please.
Hey y'all, so we done get fucked around and got goddamn tipsy out here messing around with these wine tasters. So, cause woo, I mean, done got me for real. And she just encouraged me. She ain't saying don't do it or nothing, just do it.
Because if I could, I'd do it.
I mean, she just pointing them out. I ain't even seeing them. She, oh, that one got a free wine tasting too.
I'd catch everyone out here.
Woo. All right, so y'all, we stopped at this Mayfield place, and they got funnel cakes, deep fried Oreos, and turkey legs. So he got me down a Oreos. She got a turkey leg. We're gonna come back out tomorrow for a funnel cake. It's just like too much food to eat at one time. But we got that deep fried Oreos and that turkey leg, boy. That's all that count right there. So you gonna give me a piece of your turkey leg?
You got leg. You got two right there.
You see the
Take a
shit?
dive, take a leg, take a knee.
Heard.
I ain't kidding. That's it. That's it. You not sure.
Bro, you already know. Straight
Yeah, I'm trying to get this shit on me though.
fried Oreos, turkey leg, boy. All right, y'all, we back. Sorry, yesterday was tiring. We got home, we KO. We ain't do nothing else. We sat in the house for Valentine's Day. We ain't we just got like out back, chilled out. And then he got us here this morning. We already been to eat. We went to Brickin' something. I'll let y'all know in the comments, but it's like Brickin' something. But like it had great breakfast and everything. So right now we at this exotic deer farm. It's like for like exotic animals that you can like pet and you can do like horse rides.
See a few of his cousins.
That's cap.
Aunts and uncles.
So we in here. Oh, you want to do a fit check right quick? Show me what you got on. Unzip your coat, baby. Looking messy.
Chilly.
Huh?
It's chilly.
Fix your necklace. Turn it around. Like these
Sorry,
pants.
y'all. I fell asleep in the car. Per usual. Yeah. That's the actual shirt I have on.
Okay, good feet.
It's just
Like the
a little
pants.
chilly outside.
And give me.
Yeah.
Something slight. You know, I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone for the day, but I guess we rock.
I had him put this on.
We rock.
He was about to put on some shorts and some hoodie.
I hope the footage not too dark. You can't see it. Maybe it's just a screen. But see, look, the ducks didn't even move for them.
You gotta honk your horn.
I ain't honking my horn, no ducks.
I ain't gonna fit that in.
We're gonna see what it's like up here. Oh, there go a cat. Right there. Oh, I smell it already. Hey y'all, I ain't even gonna cap. I'm a little scared cause it's like I couldn't even record like her giving us like the rules cause they playing music, but bro, it's a lot of rules to this, like a lot. But oh my god, it's neat. Look, those look like ostriches. Emus.
Yeah, you feed them to the coin machine. Dang, we don't have any coins.
And then these are the goats. Look. He already ready. He already ready.
No buffer.
This is crazy. I love you. They can get this?
They can get that. They can get the apples or the greens.
And you just put it in your hand, right?
And just feed them with a flat hand. I'll do the B word. It feel weird?
Oh. I'm scared. Bro, I'm scared. This nigga just snapped out like this. Bro, this man is. I ain't messing with you, bro. You want to let the little kid get up, bro? Dang, chill out.
You're gonna get them next.
Like, bro, chill out. You wanna go?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I'm nervous. Oh.
Go ahead. Go ahead. This is
That's so weird.
bro. What big dude there? I ain't messing with him. No. He out there. He back there.
Oh, look at the little baby. He's so cool. Hey. Oh.
See, look, bro. These niggas snapping.
Aggressive.
They just so aggressive. Look, bro. Just hit him.
I know y'all get fed. Look at them down there, the bottom little babies.
This is crazy. Hold up. Look, they were just fighting. Oh, look, they fighting, y'all.
Y'all stop fighting.
Look.
Oh my goodness. Y'all ain't been fed today? Look at him over here.
Bro. Look at bro. Look at bro. Look, they fighting again.
Oh my goodness.
Right there. Bro, these niggas are aggressive, bro. And look at them over there. They look at these, y'all. These animals are so aggressive, bro. Look, I don't even know what he eating. This one right here, so it's rats out here, y'all. And this motherfucker keep running because of the rats. This is a what? It's a llama. Llama. You can feed them. Oh, there was another rat right there. You saw him?
Where?
Right there.
Out here?
Yeah, you see the rat right there. Look, you saw that one up there?
Hell no.
Bro, them rats, man. Look, there you go.
Maybe it's time to go.
You, babe, all these animals, you scared of rats. Look, they got the little holes right there. That's how they keep getting in.
I will drop all this food and leave.
Oh my God. The rats are crazy, y'all.
I
Look.
get $43 back, bro.
So,
Let's go.
so wait, what you can feed them?
I don't know. Damn scared of one down there now.
I don't want to feed them, bro. Cause it got this sign up right here. The rest, everybody else don't got this sign like this now.
It's just saying feed it with a flat hand. That's all.
Yeah, but I'm saying I can have a flat hand where he just smack my try to eat my hand and junk.
What's your hand?
Yeah, I don't know. At this point, I don't know. I truly don't know. I'm about to try to feed him. Here. I ain't told you, you too calm.
What?
I just do not like how he's so big.
What was that?
Bro, it's his lip. He was like,
Cause I eat.
I'm only good. I'm a little bit. Alright, you wanna try?
I'm scared. No,
Try, babe.
No, I'm even.
Oh, look at Buddy grill. Look at bro grill. His grill is fucked up. Shit, with spraying the he's spraying the camel. Look at that, that's the camel. Go ahead, babe. He waiting. Go ahead. Here, just don't look at it. They just grabbing food, babe. That's all they doing.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Come on, they just.
Shit, gonna be down. Why you do that? You make sure he got
See,
that.
the deer. Let me get an apple. Let me get an apple.
You gotta feel a flat hand, man. I'm telling you, it's hard to feel
Here,
apples.
Okay. I got you.
Lord have mercy.
Hey, they won't take it.
It's hard to feed them apples with a flat hand.
Here, I ain't got none of the white one yet. Are you recording that?
Mm-hmm. Why would you just...
Bro, it's him. Here. I ain't want to feed you anymore.
You might as well go, because I ain't walking out there.
Come on, bro.
I'm not walking out there.
Yo, I cannot get this girl. Look at her, bro. She will not come down here just because she's scared of the rats. It's because a rat just ran out. Look at the camera. Bro, he's just chilling. Why they always look dead, bro? Man, it's crazy. I don't see no more in here. They just look dead. Bro, just like, I don't know, boo-boo. Yo, this.
I had so much fun. Whew, I gotta go back twice.
Bro, don't motherfucking.
Let me tell my story.
Go ahead.
So when we first came in, Jay pointed out a rat, like immediately as soon as we opened the door. I was like, okay, it's cool, you know, it's just one, you know, I'm still gonna feed the animals, you know. I wasn't tripping over the one rat. It was big, but I wasn't tripping. The further we went into that damn exhibit, it's rats running back and forth.
Y'all, it was rats everywhere though.
You drop food and rats darting at you.
They dart right at you to grab it and run back in.
I made a little checkpoint for myself and I was not going past it.
Yo, we saw this.
Them animals I didn't see.
Yo, we saw, I'm gonna tell you in the car. I'll tell you, go ahead. So y'all, we seen like this black couple in there, and the guy, he was pushing a stroller with like a kid on his arm. No, the kid was on the ground. As soon as we told them it's rats in there, and you know they all over the place, he was like, "Oh, that's my cue." He picked the baby up and everything. He was like, "Oh, I did see one over there." He said, "But I didn't know they was that bad." It was like, "Nah, exactly. They everywhere."
You see that one and you like, okay, it's a little rat out here, but then when you keep going, you see like 3 in packs, like, and that's just in one pack, and the more you walk into it, the more rats it is coming out of the little
So
holes.
I'm mentioning it to her, and she said they usually start coming out around this time, but then she said they got them on like a birth control where they not able to really reproduce, because she said at one point it was really bad. Like when you walk in, it would be rats at the door, like it'd be everywhere, and it was like killing their like numbers and all that because people were really scared of rats. Like
Exhibit A.
So she was just like, they dimmed it down as much as they could, but she was like, it's near a field, it's a bunch of animals, there's food laying everywhere, there's rats everywhere.
They need some rat. They lay some rat poison. Birth control.
You can't just lay down rat poison if you got animals.
Oh, true. Well, they could lay it outside of the animals,
You
so
can't.
that the rats can't even get to that point. They eat the poison before they even.
I say you put it in some of that food.
And
lay
then
it
he
down.
like, oh, you with me? It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just walk beside me. As soon as he saw a rat get within a few inches with him, he jumping as hard as I am. We both scared out here.
The rat ran. It looked like he was coming towards us.
Big, and the fact that I full blown saw that rat's teeth, because it was that big. Hell to
It was running
no.
full speed at us. Anybody
Full
would have
speed.
jumped. That shit ran full
Like,
speed at us.
no.
And then it grabbed the food and it darted back. But it's the
No,
fact
it
that.
darted across the field.
But it was the fact that it came that close, like to us, just to get some food.
As soon as I dropped that food, that rat made itself known.
And what's crazy is, we're not talking about a little mice or like little bitty rats. They're huge. Like they're big and fat. Like these like some damn New York rats
That's why I think
times
about
two.
Tennessee or New York,
Like Jesus.
that was crazy. Like I enjoyed feeding the goats and the deers and the rabbits. I was good after that. I didn't see the rest of the animals.
I did. I saw the camels, the horses, and the zebras and the cows. I fed the cows one time, but I think he was too lazy. He won't get back up. After I gave him some food, he went and sat back down. It was
My
over.
thing is, I don't see like both of those. They were like, we thought they were a part of the exhibit. How did you think those rats running across the field was a part of? Like I don't
you
even
talking
want
about
it.
people?
Yeah, they was like, they not a part of the exhibit. They out here running freely.
I'm about to
though.
say rats.
And even if they are a part of the exhibit, if they would have had that on the brochure, I would have dipped. Like we wouldn't even came here.
But like, what's crazy? How are you supposed to contain rats through like bars and stuff? They slipping right through it.
Like how are you supposed to do that? Rats make through.
Didn't the white couple say that? Then they said they not a part. Both of them said that.
No, like when I
The
first
black
saw
couple
that,
and the white.
when
I immediately
first saw that
know.
rat, I didn't think, oh, that's nice. They have rats running around. Like it was a part of. I immediately know.
That is crazy. To think that rats were a part of the whole zoo is crazy.
Ain't nothing exotic about no rat. That was exotic animals. Ain't nothing exotic about a rat.
Them rats was not in like Ratatouille.
I can't imagine it being worse than that.
She said it was way worse until they started giving them like stuff that they keep them from
You
reproducing.
couldn't pay me to go. You couldn't pay me to come to work.
The dude said he ain't scared of no rats, but boy, when you sit on tails just flingering, whoo.
And you see how big they are. Like it should be a disclaimer before you even spend your money.
Where we going next?
I don't know, I'm scared though. I'm nervous.
We can go inside a building somewhere. Alright, y'all, quick little update right quick. Oh, let me roll the window up because they got music playing. Oh, look. So y'all, we was just passing by trying to find this girl right here a freaking corn dog. Finally found one at Sonic, and we came across a Nike clearance store. I've never heard of a Nike clearance store. Want to show what you got? Right? Or you want to wait till you get home?
Wait.
You wait till you get home. All right, we're gonna show y'all when we get home because I got some stuff and she got some stuff. So I'll show you when we get home. Let her get her corn dog. That's so random. All right, y'all. We're back at the house. So we're gonna go ahead and show y'all what we got from this Nike clearance store. I'm gonna let you go first.
Let me go first?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I got this hoodie. It's gray. I really want a black one. Like, I didn't have a black one. Is it gray?
It looked gray a little bit.
Yeah, I'm like, it look a little blue too, but it's gray. But I really want a black one, but
It got pockets.
I don't have pockets. No pockets. I got these cute little bags. They are so cute. I got my sister one too. Like you can carry it. It's like a book bag or like a, or like that. They were like $15. And then Jay picked these out. I got these sandals.
Yeah, that's fire.
Adorable.
Hold up. Oh, it's stuck on the back.
They are so cute.
That's fire. Turn it on the other side. I said the other side. That's the bottom. That's fire. I was trying to find some of these in the guy size, but
These were $35. Originally, they were like $70.
Alright. I got me some shorts. Some shorts. A little Nike sign on the side. That's tough. It's too bad. I felt like this was fire. I got some yellow ones too. Great for the summertime. And I was waiting on these because they got these in Atlanta, but they ain't on clearance though. So or either they ain't got my size, one of the two. So and they barely had my size. So I had to hunt these down. That this look like mustard ketchup. Then this look like the last pair, but everybody know, Nike size like $25, almost $30, $14 on there, $14 on the Nike size. Had to grab a pair of those. Then this Nike crossbag, had to get it. That's some heat right there. What? I think this was 20? Tough. Originally $60. Tough. Tough little bag. Feeling it. It's tough. I needed that too. Then I just got a hoodie. Slight hoodie. This hoodie fire now. I ain't even tried it on. It's a medium though. This hoodie fire. It's like a little flower right there, Nike. Then got like the reason it caught my eye because it got like that ashy kind of look to it, like gallery department. So that's why I got it. Kind of fire. Alright. Oh, and I ain't gonna show y'all this. So I ain't get a chance to show y'all. And I said like they were playing music in there, but I got a pop up yesterday. Michael Jordan, Carolina jersey, GOAT. Fire. This is dumb fire. Probably the best thing I got all week. We do leave tomorrow. So like tonight we just gonna like chill. The couple that we invited, they already left because her friends gotta work tomorrow. So we're just gonna relax and chill and just we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the cabin and just kind of wind down.
Dang, my arm look big.
Check out tomorrow. What? It's at 10 o'clock. So.
I thought it was at 11.
No, I think it's at 10. It's on the board down there. But yeah, we're just gonna relax. I don't think I'm gonna pick the camera back up again. I don't think so. I'm just being honest.
Probably not.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna probably get at y'all maybe tomorrow morning when we get ready to go, just to check in with y'all. I'm probably gonna end the vlog right there. No, ain't gonna end it because we going back down the strip cause we gotta look for a souvenir. We've been looking for like a coaster because we got one from Miami, so we've been looking for one from here. So, and I'm thinking about going back in to get that pop-up. The other pop-up, they killed Marco pop-up, so we'll see. But for sure, I'll get back at it. If I don't get back at y'all tonight, it's gonna be tomorrow morning. Alright. Alright, y'all.